Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So first of all, we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around 6:30 p.m. since it could be a high volatile and high spread timing. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This breaking of the high gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back and reached to this candle over here, which had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So now let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart, and what do we have into the dailies is we were having this unmitigated candle by the market, which was responsible for the bearish move. The price retraced back after taking all these equal lows and mitigated this unmitigated candle and moved into the downward direction. Currently, we are sweeping the swing of the weeklies and the price moved into the upside direction. So I'm anticipating the price to take these liquidities and mitigate this unmitigated candle and show a either side reaction into the market. So now let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart, and what do we have into the dailies is this order flow was being maintained by the market and the price reacted from this order flow, moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below this low. Rather, it kept sweeping it and broke this high. This gave us a flip zone, and we will be searching something into this zone for the price to move into the upside direction. And this will be my invalidation zone. So I'll be anticipating if the price is not going to go into the downward direction, most likely we are going to respect it. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So far, if you are liking this video and liking the analysis, do consider liking and subscribing this channel. So let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have into the 4-hour is we are having accumulated liquidity and we are having unmitigated FVG in the market. So I'm anticipating the price to mitigate this unmitigated FVG and then show a bullish reaction. So for today's bias, let's directly move to 30 minutes. So this is the 30-minute chart, and we can see that this is the higher time frame FVG and the price is in the Asia session having liquidity accumulated just above the FVG. So I'm anticipating the price to sweep the Asia low and show a upside direction. So most likely I'll be trading into the bullish direction today if the price is going to sweep the Asia low, respect this FVG and move into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Do consider liking and subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching.